Hello friends, welcome back. In this class we are going to discuss about JQuery UI. So what's JQuery UI? JQuery is a set of user interface, effects, widgets and themes. It is based on JavaScript library. If you are creating, for example, if you are creating a very big website or you want to just add a date picker or form inside your website, then JQuery UI is the perfect choice. If you know how to use JQuery or how to work on JQuery, then JQuery UI is not difficult to use or to work on it. So what's UI? UI is stand for just interface. So now we are just going to download JQuery UI. For downloading JQuery UI, just go to your browser and on Google, just write here JQuery UI simply and enter. You can see JQuery UI website is here, jqueryui.com. Just click on this. So you can see this jqueryui.com website. From here you can see the demos. So you can see the theme, which theme for example you want to use. Just click on the theme if you are going to select any theme. So this is the theme page. You can see the gallery here. Just click on the gallery. So you can see different style. For example, the first one is base. This is the name, UL lightness. So we have different kind of theme: leaf rock, flick. So you can see South Street, Blitzer. So you can see this is the name. So you can just go to download. If you want to download the JQuery UI, so you can just click here. Or if you want to know what is JQuery UI, you can just click on the about and you can just read here. JQuery UI is a curated set of user interface, interactions, effect, widget and themes built on top of the JQuery JavaScript library. As I told, that JQuery is a set of user interface, effect, widget and theme. It is based on JavaScript library. Whether you are building highly interactive web application or you just need to add a date picker or form control, then JQuery UI is the perfect choice. So it means that if you are planning to create a very big web application or website, so or you just need to add a date picker or a form control inside your website, so then in that case JQuery UI is the perfect choice. So you can see vision and goals inside JQuery, flexibility, styling and themes. You can see all these, you can read by yourself. So you can see JQuery UI theme. You can just study about the theme. And if you want to download this, you can just see this button, download button. Just click on this. And you can just select the latest version, which is 1.12.1. stable for JQuery 1.7. so this is the latest version. And you can see toggle all. It means all of them are checked. You are not going to uncheck any of them because we need all of them to use. So you can just come here, and as I told about selecting theme, so you can just select a theme from here. For example, Blitzer. So I'm just going to select this one and just click on the download. So you can see I have just already downloaded this, but again I'm going to download this, pressing OK button. I'm just going to re-download this. Okay, and you are just going to choose the location. For example, on the desktop, we are creating a new folder by the name of JQuery UI. So this is a new folder. Inside this we are going to save this and just click on start download. So you can see it is just downloading now, receiving data just in a few seconds. The file size is not lengthy. Just in a few seconds it will be download on your desktop inside your folder. So you can see it is just downloaded. So you can just open folder from here, and you can just right click on this, extract here. So you can see we have JQuery UI and extract file. So just open this, we have just all the files here. So you can see jQuery UI cascading style sheet. You can see the type here, jQuery UI JavaScript file. So we have all the files here. We have images folder, we have external jQuery folder here. So for this class we have just learned how we can download jQuery and what is jQuery. I have told about this, and from next class we will come back and we will just discuss how we can work with jQuery UI. So till next class, have a nice time and see you.